So today I have the new Mastercook Plancha grill. I've actually been pretty excited to use this one. I've been waiting almost 2 weeks because it's been raining nonstop. What's cool is that this is like a 3-in-1 for the most part. So you could choose to do just a fire pit in the ring, and then you have your plancha grill. So you got kind of like a griddle and then like a grill. Now this top section actually will slide off as well, so you can take that completely off if you wish. I just like to leave it on. Down here at the bottom you could store extra wood. And it does come with this little poker. So right here in the front is our ash pan. This is where you'll be able to dump everything, and you'll see where the ashes can fall in right here down the center. So we got this little grill plate right here in the center, so you can grill regular stuff too. And then of course you got that big fire bowl in there. All right, we'll get a fire going here, and then we will try this grill out. Hi there. I've been waiting to try this grill thing out for 2 weeks, so every time I get ready, it starts raining.
Yeah, we got a lot.
Yeah. So I actually really love this as a fire pit. It's nice and higher up, so you can stand around it and keep warm. And of course, we need to get some nice coals and stuff going before we can start cooking with it. But as a fire pit, I love this. I think you could probably even use pellets in this. I'll have to try that one out at a later date, but I don't see why it wouldn't work. Now, when you're ready, of course it's going to get windy. When you're ready to use the plancha grill, you're going to have to either use smaller pieces or let this burn down a little bit into your coals. You could also add little pieces as it's cooking. All right, place that right on top and just let it get hot. Now this will start getting hot really fast. So we're already at 300s, 400s, 350, 343, 200s there at the edge. So it definitely gets hot very quickly. You can also create hot spots on your grill, so you can have some spots hotter than others, depending on what you want to cook. And you could always move that wood around with the little fork or the little poker too. Like I mentioned, you could use the poker to kind of move the wood around and add wood to it. If you're looking for a fire pit, a grill, and everything all in one, this kind of gives me Mongolian vibes with like the Mongolian grill. But this will be great for your fire pits, or even for everybody to stand around and cook your meals, you cook your dinners. This will also be great for breakfast. You could do eggs and stuff on this in the morning, take it camping. I really like it. I'm excited to use this more once the weather gets a little bit better. I will use this quite a bit more during the summer and when I'm camping. But anyway, if you are interested, I'll put a link down below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Oh, I'm going to say that was pretty good timing. Just minutes after I finished, it's now raining.